Hi folks, Generac generator, the 2-cylinder. If you get in a low oil pressure and the unit shuts down, telling you it's got low oil pressure, more than likely this is going to be your problem. See that gear? And that's what they look like. And that's what ends up happening. Sometimes that low oil pressure warning won't come on because depending on the gear itself, how many teeth are broke, sometimes it'll actually get revolutions to create the oil pressure, which won't give your sensor the indication that the oil pressure is low. And then you shut it down, and next time you go to run it, it'll automatically shut down due to low oil pressure because of this gear right here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not, and until the next video.